It'll be here before you know it. I can't believe we're already talking about the 4th of July.
I know, and the 4th of July, it's on the 14th day. I know a lot of people probably going to spend some time outdoors.
They're going to be hot. They're going to be sweating.
Yes, yeah. There's no doubt about that, okay? We do have very warm temperatures. It was obviously very warm today, but as we get a little bit farther along into July, that's when it gets just even hotter.
I know. We'll be looking back at 93 going, oh, if only.
I wish. Yeah. Yes, that's going to happen eventually. I know it's hot right now. We are still talking about temperatures in the 80s and 90s for some of us. We're at 93 degrees. So that's what we had for a high today. The normal is 93 right now. The record, though, we were nowhere near that. That's actually 106 degrees, and that was originally set back in 1980, so a very long time ago. Thankfully, hopefully that record stays there. But, you know, over the next few days, temperatures will slowly start to get warmer. Tomorrow, I don't think we're going to really see any change temperature-wise. I think we hang out at 93 degrees. But on Thursday, we're going up to 94. On Friday, 95. And then Saturday, Sunday, we're talking upper 90s, but the heat indices, they're going to hang out at around 100 degrees tomorrow because temperatures will be a little bit lower, and because I do expect to see maybe a little bit more cloud cover and a chance of rain, we're going to keep those heat indices in the upper 90s. So it's not all that much better, but it's something, right? This is our Fort Worth camera. Temperatures in the mid 80s right now, but the heat index, it's still at 90 degrees. The wind, it's still a little breezy. It's coming in out of the south, and we still have some showers and storms in the eastern part of North Texas, and they continue to move off to the north and west, but they also continue to try to fizzle out as they move off north and west. But that rain really took temperatures down out in the eastern half of the state. 73 degrees in Longview, 77 in Mineola, 74 in Tyler, but it's still 85 in downtown Dallas, 85 in Denton, and 83 degrees right now in Decatur. And yes, it's still humid. It's going to be a humid overnight tonight. Temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s. Still a 75-degree temperature right now in Greenville. Overnight temperatures will be dropping down into the mid and upper 70s. So yes, it's going to stay warm. It's going to stay muggy tomorrow afternoon. Still hot, but very seasonal. So the normal's 93. We are forecasting a high of 93 degrees in downtown Dallas, but 92 in Fort Worth, 91 in McKinney, and 91 tomorrow afternoon in Greenville. Overnight tonight, all the rain off to the east, that's going to go away. Everyone's going to become mostly clear. But by tomorrow afternoon, I'm expecting a little bit more cloud cover. And notice this is at noon tomorrow, and we have a couple of isolated showers showing up in and around the Metroplex. That could increase a little bit more late afternoon, early evening. Not expecting any severe weather, but a thunderstorm from time to time, that's going to be a possibility. Maybe gusts as high as around 30 to 35 miles an hour at 7 o'clock. There's a couple of isolated showers. You can see that in between Paris and Sulphur Springs, but after sunset, that goes away. I think we do it all over again on Thursday. Thursday morning's nice and quiet, but by Thursday afternoon, the clouds start to bubble up a little bit more with peak heating. We see a couple of isolated storms in between Denton, McKinney, and up towards Sherman. But after sunset, even those go away. It's going to be Thursday at 10, and it looks like all the thunderstorms are going to go into Oklahoma. So for tonight, mostly clear. It's going to stay warm. It's going to stay muggy. Temperatures drop down into the mid 70s. Tomorrow afternoon, still partly cloudy. Temperatures in the low 90s, and there's going to be that chance of an isolated shower. So showers will be a possibility. If you can get those showers, it would certainly keep temperatures from getting too hot. But overall, I wouldn't, turn off your sprinklers by any means, because the chances aren't great at all.